Hey guys, so I just thought I'd jump on here and review the Lululemon City Adventurer 3-litre micro backpack. So I've worn it a few times. It's actually really good. It's really useful. I love how you could just pull the handle up here and it turns into a crossbody bag. So that's really useful to have that option. Basically, it's perfect as a backpack. It is really micro though, so it's really small, and I've packed so many things in here, so I just want to show you what it actually fits. So it's got a really handy front compartment. It's too small to fit the phone, but it's quite good to put other things in there. So that is a good option. I'm just going to show you what's inside. So I've got quite a lot of stuff in here. I've managed to fit my Louis Vuitton little coin purse, whatever it's called. I've got my Dior makeup bag, a Lidl's compactable bag, another card holder, and it fits the Kindle. This fits my Kindle perfectly, and there's still room, as you can see. It's got a little compartment here, which is really useful to fit anything else you need. And it's got a front compartment as well, so 2 compartments, so one at the back and one at the front, which is really handy. And there I've got all my lipsticks. I like bringing lip balms and other little bits and bobs. So basically, it's really good. It does fit more than the 2.5 litre Lululemon belt bag. So it's good to have. You can even wear both. So I actually went out once and I wanted to keep my phone really accessible so women never have like pockets. I was able to wear this, and then I was able to pop this on because I had quite a lot of stuff to bring that day. But because I've got the option to put this across my body as well, it's not so hard on the back. So that's really handy. I did find though, when I wore it crossbody, this bit was digging into my shoulder. It's not that comfortable if you've got heavy things in here, but you can make do because you can swap it to put it on your back as well. Because it's so micro, if you decide you don't want to wear it anymore, you can always put it in like a bag if you've done shopping. So that is also an option, but it does fit more than it looks, although it is really micro. So I did think maybe I should have got the bigger one, but then I don't like big chunky straps. It's nice because the straps across your body are really thin and they're adjustable. But I'm really happy with it. I do prefer the belt bag just because I prefer wearing belt bags, but it's really good to have this option if you want to carry things that are heavy or just to fit a little bit more. But it does fit everything, and I'll just pack everything up again and I'll show you inside. So this is it. I'm gonna do the zipper. It's room to still fit stuff, but obviously it's quite full. It is micro, but if you want a cute little micro bag, it's really handy to have. So just show you what it's like on.